Happy Monday, guys. Welcome to another video and welcome to the show, More Around Media. I'm your host and I definitely appreciate you guys, swinging by and checking out the video. Last week I submitted a video and, just kind of touched over some topics of why I feel like you should believe in yourself and you should never let your mind play a game against you of, hey, you can't do this. And if you haven't watched that video, I would definitely appreciate it if you, after watching this video, went after and, check that out. But for today's topic, last week I posted basically how to make a certain amount of money, with the stock market, and it's kind of like a cheat code in a sense. I don't know, I was like kind of aware of it kind of being a thing, and I would always see it happen, but I just thought maybe it was coincidence. Again, like I said, it happened too often that I just thought it was really weird that maybe, how is it that no one else is talking about this? So I just kind of didn't say anything. I didn't want to come off as this guy that's kind of saying, hey, this is a get rich scheme, or hey, this is the cheat code, to basically make a lot of money on the stock market every morning, if not every other morning. But recently, YouTuber Biaheza, shout out to you, man, because you make some great videos and I love your content, keep it up, made a video basically touching on the same subject. And once he said and basically confirmed what I was seeing, I was like, oh my goodness, I'm not the only one. He legitimately basically gave the seal of approval on what I was thinking the whole time. So I'm gonna tell you guys today how I made a good lump sum of money in the past couple months. And again, like I said, I'm not telling you what to do, I'm not telling you how to invest your money, and I'm not telling you to basically gamble your money. At the end of the day, this is just kind of like a little, way of, if you want to make some profits, go ahead, see how I do it. I'll tell you, I'll be completely transparent. I'm not gonna, give you some get rich scheme, at the end of the day, going into the stock market, you're not always guaranteed to make money. You can lose money. I have lost money, but I feel like this is one of the ways I've made the best amounts of, return. This is, in my opinion, I think this is the best way I've made some good returns in the market while I've been in. And like I said, it totally varies. It's not every day, but it's more often than every day that I'm looking at this and I'm getting in and getting out and taking the profit when other people might not be doing this because they might not see it the way I see it. Again, I definitely appreciate you watching the video, and here's a secret, and this is my tip on what I'm talking about. Let's begin. So the trick I'm talking about, it's so crazy. And again, like I said, I looked at this and I was like, am I just seeing things? Is it just me? But I'll show you guys on the screen. Basically, I'm gonna call this trick the V-dip. There you go. I'll call it the V-dip. I don't think there's a name for it. I don't think anyone else has had anything for it, but I'm gonna call it the V-dip. Why? Because the moment the stock market opens, it's kind of like going up. So it's kind of like everyone's putting in money the day before because they saw that the stock, is having such a good, gain that they're just, I want to buy in. But, okay, let's make this example towards Tesla because it's such a volatile stock and I feel like it's the one where you would see it more. But like I said, you see this throughout the whole stock market. Apple, Microsoft, Intel, 3M, Costco, you name it. I see it, it's there. I'm not the only one that's seen it. And this is what I'm basically, saying, hey, if you want to invest and you want to make some good returns, for sure take advantage of this. So basically, this is what I call the V-dip. So I'll show you right now an example, Apple. And this is something that's happened day in, day out for the past couple of, weeks, months. Again, I'm not sure if this is because of the whole, current predicament we're in, that everything's kind of volatile, the market's kind of going crazy, but I really think it's something that is so popular and happens all the time that I can't see it just being some kind of just now thing, just a current event situation. So this V-dip that I'm talking about, and I'll show you right here, you see what I mean? If you I'll post it on the side, or there you go, focused. So this V-dip, every day, every more than often, when the stock market opens, it's going up, but then it goes down, and that's when you buy. When it goes down, or you start seeing it kind of plateau at the bottom, you buy in, and you get all those gains. Now see, depending on how much money you have in your investment account, you could do this day in, day out. See, the thing is, I don't have 25,000 sitting in my Robinhood account, and that's why I can't be doing this every time. But I try to take advantage of the 3-day trades that Robinhood allows me. But that's what I'm saying. Look, so right there, let me focus. Let it focus. There's the V dip right there. It dips, you buy in, it goes all the way up, profits. And just to verify, Tesla, look, the V dip, it plateaus, you buy in, profits. Look, Alibaba, in case for those who are not familiar, it's like kind of like AliExpress. V dip, it goes down a little bit, you buy in, boom, skyrockets. Again, like I said, not every stock's like this. But like even this one right here, it lost. It was in the red today. Let it focus. It dipped all the way down here, but still, it went slowly back up. So you don't have to get out right away. You could wait it out. But look, see, there's gains. Shopify, market open, it dipped. Kind of not like a V, but kind of like a little dip, but it went back up. So right here, this one, this new auto industry, the EVs, bought into his new company. But look, see, it went down, it dipped, and it skyrocketed up. So that's what I'm talking about, the V dip. Basically, that's my secret, and I'm being transparent. This is what I do. For example, last week I posted on my Instagram stories how I made basically almost $400 in 3 hours. I know it sounds a long time, but the reason, it could have been shorter, but the reason I did 3 hours is because that's how long I was basically looking at my phone, or not looking at it, glancing here and there. But I wasn't working hard, I wasn't sweating, there wasn't no labor, involved. It was just me glancing at my phone here and there. And because, here's the thing, don't get greedy. Here's my number one tip of advice. Don't get greedy. I got greedy that day. I was at almost a whopping like 200% gain, and I was at a $700 profit, but something in the back of my head said, you could get more. And what happened? A minute, 2 minutes later, I lost $200 from that $700 gain. It went down again. And honestly, I was almost in the negatives from where I was at $700 profit. I went back all the way down to like negative $80. So that's why I waited. It took me a while to wait till everything, kind of stabilized. And again, it shot back up and I made $400. And this time I got out because I didn't want to repeat the same mistake I did the first time. And it's because I've been in the situation where it's like, I make a certain amount and I could either stay in a little longer and make more, or get out and just be content with what I have, because honestly when I started I didn't have that money, so I might as well just take it while I can because I have it, So number one, tip of advice, don't get greedy, take your profits and just, be happy because you didn't have it in the first place. That's the way I see it, and I'm still trying to learn that. I'm being completely honest. So that is the tip of the day. That is the trick, the one I was talking about that I'll show you guys. Again, if you have some money, go ahead and invest in Robinhood. Or the reason I say Robinhood is because it's very popular, everyone knows it, and it's very user friendly. If not, go to WeBull. I have links in the description if you'd like to invest today. Again, this is not a scam. This is just kind of like you being smarter than everyone else, the average person, and going out there and actually doing a side hustle and eventually hopefully gaining some financial freedom. Because again, $300, $400, $600, that's definitely, life-changing money. That is, some people's rent, some people's car payment, some people's, phone bill, and, some people's, whole month of food supply. So if this definitely helped you all, I would definitely appreciate it if you leave a like. If you liked the content so far, leave it, subscribe if you want to see more. And for those who've stayed so far this long, I've actually wanted to, bring up, because in the last video I was talking about doing a giveaway. And basically what I'm going to be doing, let me put my phone down. Basically what I'm going to be doing is that my wife, I've been, pushing her and motivating her to, do her channel, because honestly she's great. Her channel is awesome. She's really creative, and I think, her channel's, worth the view. If you haven't seen it, it's at, her Instagram page, which is Mary Cruz Ramirez, or her YouTube channel, which is Mary Cruz Ramirez. Definitely go check it out. But again, back to the giveaway. What I want to do, diles hi! Diles hi, mamas! So, my daughter came in to join the video. I hope you guys are, fully aware that this is my little girl. She's actually come out once in one of my videos. But, so, like I was saying, sorry it was a little bit of an interruption, but yeah, so my wife's channel is Mary Cruz Ramirez. Here it is. This is what it looks like. And she's currently at 70 subs, so I'm super proud of her. And so this giveaway that I want to do is basically, since I see that she's almost close to 70, that basically just goes to show that honestly, that means only 30 more people have to sub on her channel and for this giveaway to happen. But on mine, just as a little incentive for you, those who've watched the channel and just haven't, subbed, I'm currently right now at 25. There you go, that is live right now. So for this giveaway, what I wanted to do is for all those, because I see that there's a lot of people who actually watch the video but don't sub. So that means the number that I set for the sub goal is going to be 100 subs. That's right. So that means there's 100 people of you guys, there's 100 of you guys out there. So that means that there's 100 of you guys out there that, basically can both sub to both channels, which gives you 2 chances to win. So what that means is you guys have, a 50-50 chance if you sub to both channels. By the time we reach 100 subs on both channels, I will give one lucky winner a $100 just cash, Venmo, PayPal payment. No question asked, as long as you sub. I'm going to put a post on my Instagram page, which I'll link right now, which is at Mario Ram Media and Mario Ram for my personal one. I will put a post up, and basically all you have to do is go like the post, share it to whoever you want to, also get a chance to win $100. And again, this is just kind of like an incentive to just kind of give you guys like a thank you for watching our videos and for helping us out. And the way I see it is you guys help me, I want to help you. So again, there's going to be a $100 giveaway, and what you have to do is go like, share the post, and sub to both channels. And again, like I said, as long as you sub to one channel, it doesn't mean you have to sub to both. But if you do, that'll just increase your chances, because what I'll be doing is just basically grabbing the whole sub count from both channels and just basically just throwing it through a random subscriber picker whatever on the internet, and it'll pick. So basically it gives you 2 entries in a sense. So if, like I said, if you stuck around, congratulations, you have a heads up on other people. Hold on. Hopefully you guys like this video. Again, thank you guys for watching. So I can't wait to see both channels hit 100 so I can give you guys 100. Again, thank you, and until next time, peace.